Are you caught in a cycle of financial struggle, unable to break free? Have you ever wondered why, despite your hard work, you seem to be spinning your wheels financially? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're delving into the 5 money-sucking traps that ensnare the middle class, shackling them to a lifetime of financial mediocrity. But fear not, for armed with knowledge, you can steer clear of these pitfalls and chart a course towards financial freedom. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. The student loan abyss. The allure of higher education, a gateway to success, they say. But lurking beneath its promising facade lies a dark abyss of student loan debt, ready to ensnare the unsuspecting middle class. With the average cost of college soaring to staggering heights, many find themselves shackled to repayments before they even step foot into the job market. Consider this. The United States is grappling with a student loan debt crisis, totaling a mind-boggling $1.75 trillion. Each year, the cost of college climbs relentlessly, outpacing inflation and wage growth. It's no wonder that 43.2 million student borrowers are drowning in an average debt of $39,351 each. But fear not, for there is a way out of this labyrinth of debt. It begins with a simple yet crucial step: choosing your degree wisely. Opt for fields with a proven return on investment, such as STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. By doing so, you can mitigate the financial burden of student loans and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Remember, education is an investment in yourself, but it should not come at the expense of your financial well-being. With careful planning and foresight, you can navigate the treacherous waters of the student loan abyss and emerge victorious on the shores of financial freedom. Number 2. The car loan quagmire. Picture this. You've landed your first big job, and the temptation to reward yourself with a shiny new car is overwhelming. However, this seemingly innocent indulgence can quickly spiral into a financial quagmire. Car loans, with their hefty monthly payments and long repayment terms, can drain your finances faster than you realize. The average monthly car payment in the United States is $563 for new vehicles and $397 for used ones. Over a typical loan term of 70 months, that's a substantial chunk of change, money that could have been used to build wealth or pay down other debts. With Americans owing nearly $1.4 trillion in auto loan debt, the car loan trap is all too common. To avoid this trap, resist the urge to splurge on a brand new vehicle. Instead, consider purchasing a reliable used car that fits your budget. Remember, a car is a depreciating asset. Its value decreases the moment you drive it off the lot. Opt for a vehicle that meets your needs without overextending your finances. By making prudent choices and avoiding the car loan quagmire, you can keep your finances on track and allocate your hard-earned money towards investments that will grow your wealth over time. Number 3. The investment void. You've managed your student loans and avoided an oversized car loan, but there's another critical step many in the middle class overlook: investing. Failing to invest can leave your financial growth stagnant, trapping you in the middle class cycle. Simply stashing your money in a low-yield savings account won't provide the financial security and growth needed for a comfortable future. The key to breaking free from this trap is to start investing early and consistently. Aim to save at least 15% to 20% of your net annual income for investments in retirement. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs or 401ks, which offer significant benefits over time. But don't stop there. Diversify your portfolio with stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds to spread your risk and maximize returns. Many people shy away from investing due to a lack of knowledge or fear of risk. However, educating yourself on investment basics and seeking professional advice can demystify the process and build confidence. By prioritizing investments, you harness the power of compound interest and set the stage for long-term financial growth. Don't let the investment void hold you back. Start investing today to secure your financial future and achieve the wealth you deserve. Number 4. The career cul-de-sac. Stagnation is a silent killer of financial growth, and nowhere is this more evident than in your career. Many middle-class individuals find themselves stuck in a career cul-de-sac, where opportunities for advancement and salary increases are limited. This plateau can stifle your financial progress and trap you in a cycle of mediocrity. The key to avoiding this trap is to remain proactive and ambitious in your career development. Continuously seek opportunities for skill enhancement through education and training. Consider switching positions or companies every 2 to 3 years to take advantage of better roles and higher pay. This strategy can significantly boost your income over time. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of networking. Building strong professional relationships can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights into industry trends and job openings. Another effective strategy is to diversify your income streams. Starting a side hustle or small business can provide additional income and financial security, making you less reliant on a single job. By actively managing your career and seeking continuous growth, you can avoid the career cul-de-sac. Keep moving forward, seize new opportunities, and never settle for less than you deserve. This approach will propel you towards financial stability and long-term success. Number 5. The House of Cards. Homeownership is often seen as the ultimate symbol of success and stability, a cornerstone of the American dream. However, for many in the middle class, this dream can turn into a financial nightmare if not approached with caution. The trap here is buying too much house, overextending yourself financially by purchasing a home that strains your budget and leaves you house poor. The allure of a larger, more luxurious home is tempting, especially with low interest rates making mortgages appear more affordable. However, it's crucial to remember that a home is not just a mortgage payment. Maintenance, property taxes, insurance, and utilities all add up, often more than anticipated. A good rule of thumb is to ensure that your total housing costs do not exceed 28% of your net income. Additionally, aim for a 20% down payment and consider a 15-year fixed-rate mortgage to save on interest over the long term. This approach provides a buffer against financial strain and helps build equity more quickly. Before making such a significant financial commitment, carefully evaluate your needs and long-term goals. Consider whether renting might be a better option for your current situation, allowing you more financial flexibility. By making prudent decisions and not succumbing to the pressure of buying more house than you can afford, you can avoid the House of Cards trap. This will help secure your financial stability and ensure that your home is a place of comfort, not stress. Steering clear of these 5 money-sucking traps can make all the difference in your financial journey. By making smart decisions about education, vehicles, investments, career progression, and home ownership, you'll be on the path to lasting wealth and stability. Remember, the key to financial success is awareness and proactive management of your resources. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay savvy and stay financially free.